Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Visual Studio with the NET desktop workload and the matching NET SDK installed. Once done, create a new project and pick WPF app, Net. Give the solution a clear name and choose your target framework, for example, Net 6 or Net 7, then set the location. Make sure templates install correctly. If not, repair the workload via Visual Studio Installer. This gets you immediately into a runnable WPF project ready for UI work. Now design the interface in main window. XAML using layouts like grid or stack panel and drop controls where needed. You wire interactions by adding click or loaded handlers in code behind, or better, set a data context and implement a view model for binding. This separates UI and logic. Add any NuGet packages or project references required by your app and confirm assembly versions match the target framework. Also set build configuration to debug for easier testing. These middle steps make your app functional and maintainable. To finish, set the WPF project as the startup project, choose debug configuration, and press F5 to run with the debugger attached. Make sure the output and debug windows are visible so you can catch build errors and runtime exceptions quickly. Inspect inner exception and stack traces to find root causes. If the app won't run, check project right arrow properties for target framework mismatches, run NuGet restore, or install the missing SDK via Visual Studio Installer. This single troubleshooting
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.